Hello everybody, today we will be doing the project. It will be of a fire alarm system using the help of TINKERCAD, and we will be doing this with the help of some components like smoke sensor and gas sensor and temperature sensor. So let's get started. You click on create new circuit. This is something what we get at the instance. Let's bring in our Arduino board, which is present right here. And a breadboard, and we will search for temperature sensor. So here we go, it is our temperature sensor. That's nice. And then we will get gas sensor. This is the gas sensor. We will also need a buzzer. So it is also known as piezo. If you search buzzer, it will also get available. We will install it. Let's bring this thing down to use the space effectively. Yeah. I will also need some LEDs. LED will be used when the temperature will be changing, and we will change the temperature from here. LED will work here. We also need resistors. Resistors are used to control the inflow of the current and to prevent the circuits to get damaged. And talking about how the temperature sensor works, actually when the temperature goes up, the voltage across the terminals also rises. So that's how it detects the temperature. Talking about our gas sensor, how this works, it senses the smoke around around it, and when it checks the concentration of the smoke around it, it converts it into the potential difference, and it signals the Arduino board basically that there is something wrong in the atmosphere. So that's how it works. So let's get back to our circuit. We also need a resistor here like this, and let's connect our overall circuit. This will go to the ground. Let's delete it and connect it again. And connecting the Arduino to the 7. That's nice. Let's connect our board. Changing the colors. For the power it is red, and for the ground it is green. All right. And connect the smoke detector to the power supply, and let's connect our temperature sensor to the power as well. There we go. And the other one to the ground, and the middle one will go to the A naught. So as you are facing some problems here to connect directly, we have to shift this board little up. Let's delete it and connect it again till we connect it to A1. Nice. Let's give it a color of blue, and the ground wire will get the color of green. That's good. We also have to connect our smoke sensor. Let's ground our So we are all done with our circuit. It's time to code. You have to code here. You have to go to the text, continue, select all, and delete. So let's begin with our code. Here we are initializing the variables: floating temperature, initializing the LED and gas sensor. Initializing the piezo. Here we are giving it a number because our piezo is connected to the Arduino number 7. As you can see here, piezo connected to the 7 number, and LED is connected to the 13. So here we have initialized as 13 and 7 respectively for LED and piezo. Pin mode input, as you can see here, input is given A0 to the smoon detector, and then T1 will be given to the temperature sensor. As our LED is our output source, so it is written as O output, LED comma output. Similarly, our piezo is also output, so it is written as output piezo comma output. Now we'll go for the looping. Here we are giving logics for output of the buzzer and output of the gas sensor and temperature sensor as well. Gas sensor equals to now it's time for initializing the conditions like at what after what temperature the LED will start glowing, and after what area of the smoke the piezo will start to burn, means piezo will start to sound. So if temperature is greater than or equals to 80, then the LED will start to glow. Digital white LED comma high, else digital right LED as low. That's it. And another condition, if it is for piezo, if gas sensor is greater than or equals to 100, then digital right piezo is a comma high. Make sure you write in the capital letters only, else digital right piezo as low. That's right. Now it's time to print. Serial dot print. Now let's copy paste it again and again because it will require that again and again. ST gas sensor, sensor, united delay of LED will be a delay of 1000 millisecond, that will be 1 second. There we go. Then we close our code and that's it. So here by finishing our code written, as you can see here, we have written the code. Let's simulate it and click on the serial monitor. So as you can see, our user is working very well. As when we take the smoke away from the board, it doesn't make any sound, but when we bring our smoke near to the smoke sensor, it senses the sound and our piezo is, as you can hear it, it is buzzing. So let's make it here and test our temperature sensor. So here the temperature is normal, as you can see 24.78. Let's increase it. So how will do it? Yeah, we increased our temperature. We can notice here 102, and we can see our LED is glowing. Before it was not glowing. You can see LED goes off when our temperature is low. How much is our temperature? We have given our temperature to greater than or equals to 80. So up to 80 it will not glow. As you can see it is 76.10, so it is not glowing. But as we increase it further further from 80, it will start to glow. Let's see, 89, it is glowing. So that's how our temperature sensor is also working nicely, and our smoke sensor is also working nicely, as it starts to signal the alarm that something is wrong. When there is fire, the temperature goes high and also the smoke arises. If there is no smoke, then the LED will glow and it can signal anything. If there is smoke, then the smoke buzzer will identify it and let people know that there is something wrong. So that's how this project works, and hope you have liked and enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching.